The night's my stage, a script of dreams on an endless page.
That was absolutely stunning, right? And in today's video, I will show you how I made it, so that you can too. Now, to make a video like this, the most important thing is getting the lip sync right. Otherwise, it will just feel out of touch, no matter how good your visuals are. And don't worry, because I will show you how I achieve this kind of lip sync. I used Nano Banana for the images, then generated the visuals using Kling and Dance, and finally turned them into lip sync videos, all using just one tool. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Now, the first thing you need is to generate the music. I use Suno for that. It's pretty simple. Open Suno, give it your prompt. I asked it to create a retro jazz song with female vocals, and then hit generate. It will create two outputs, listen to both, and download the one you like. Now, the tool we will be using today to create the all visuals is called Dzine AI. I have used multiple tools for realistic lip syncs, but I genuinely believe this one is by far the most realistic I've ever tried. Another reason I use this tool is because it basically has all the features in one place, which makes my workflow very easy. Now, to get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it has so many different tools in one place, which is exactly what I love about it. Now, to create a new project, you need to click on the new project button, and it will open this interface. First, let's give our project a name. I'll go with this one. Next, let's choose the project aspect ratio. I'm choosing 16:9, but feel free to select whatever fits your needs. Now, once that's done, you can see multiple options on the left side. We need to start with our images first, so let's choose the text to image option. Next, if you click here, you can see all the image models it offers. It literally has everything, including the latest Flux 2 models. You can choose whichever you like. I'll go with Nano Banana Pro because honestly, nothing even comes close to this in terms of quality. Now it's time to give it a prompt. I'll paste the prompt I generated using ChatGPT. If you struggle with prompts, let me show you how I use ChatGPT for this. First, open ChatGPT and give it a vague idea of the image you want. As you can see, I also provide context on why I need the image, which makes the results even better. You can add any style reference if you want. After that, hit generate, and it will create a prompt for you that's 10 times better than your usual generic prompt. You're welcome. Now, after you give your prompt, you can select the image quality. As you already know, you can go up to 4K with Banana Pro. For now, I'll go with 2K. Next, choose the aspect ratio and then simply hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, that image looks incredibly good. It nailed the style and vibe I was looking for. And remember, folks, the more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will be. Getting the images right is very important because once your images are perfect, turning them into a video becomes super easy and extremely high quality. Now, let me show you how I created different angles of her. Here's what I did. First, I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to give me 5 different camera shots of the same character. ChatGPT gave me several ideas, as you can see here. Next, you just need to choose the view you like. I'll copy this one. Now let's come back to Dzine AI. Go to the image to image option and make sure you upload or select the base image. After that, choose your image model. I'll select Nano Banana 2. Then in the prompt section, paste the camera angle prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Choose your aspect ratio and hit generate. And here's the output. As you can see, it created a close-up shot of her. And the best part is that it kept everything else exactly the same. That is seriously impressive. Now let's create one more angle. This time I'll paste another angle ChatGPT gave me, hit generate, and here's the output. Look at this. It looks awesome. It kept the same dress, the same hairstyle, the same character, everything. Nano Banana literally feels like a cheat code. I can't even imagine how good the next version is going to be. After that, just repeat the same steps and generate all the different angle shots you need. Now, to make the music video even more realistic and interesting, you should add a few filler scenes, just like I did. It keeps the video engaging. Here's how I made those scenes. Again, I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to create different scene ideas along with image prompts to match the theme of the music video. And here it is. ChatGPT gave me multiple suggestions along with ready-to-use prompts. Let's try one. I'll go back to Dzine AI, switch to text to image, paste the prompt, and hit generate. And here is the output. As expected, it looks awesome. Now, all you need to do is generate all the images one by one for your music video. Once that's done, it's time for the most important part, creating the lip sync. sync. To create the lip sync, click on the lip sync option. Next, upload your image here. I've uploaded this image, and as you can see, it automatically detected all the faces in the picture. You can select the one you want, or you can manually select the face like this and then click next. I'll keep the aspect ratio at the default and hit next, and it will load the image here like this. Now to add your audio, click on the pick a voice option, go to upload audio, and upload your music from here. After that, simply choose the aspect ratio again and hit generate. It may take a bit of time depending on the length of your audio, and here is the final output.
Beneath the stars, the night's my stage, a script of dreams on an endless page.
Wow, this looks awesome, right? As you can see, not only did it lip sync perfectly, but it was also able to analyze the scene and smartly made the people in the background play the instruments, which is very, very clever. I've used so many different lip sync tools, but this one is really on a different level in terms of quality. It doesn't just lip sync like a robot, it adds natural motion that makes everything feel believable, and that is just amazing. Next, you need to repeat the exact same steps and lip sync all the other angles of your character. To save time and credits, you can cut the song into different pieces and lip sync each angle with only the part you need. Now let me show you how I created the filler scenes. It's actually very easy. First, go to the AI video section, then upload your image. I've uploaded this one. Next, give it a prompt. I'm using a very simple prompt here. And remember guys, if your image is good, you don't really need to put much effort into your video prompt. Now choose the video model. As you can see, it has all the major ones, and including Sora 2. I'll go with Kling 2.5 Pro and then hit generate. And here's the output. As you can see, it looks great, and it's exactly the type of video I was looking for. Let's try more scenes. This time I'll upload this image, then give it this prompt. Now let's try different video generators. I'll choose my favorite Dance Pro and then hit generate. And here is the output. As you can see, this one also looks absolutely stunning, and the motion is very smooth and there is no distortion at all. Really good job by Dance. Next, create all your filler scenes, and after that I put everything together in CapCut, did a bit of editing with transitions and filters, and here is the final result.
The stars, the night's my stage, a script of dreams on an endless page. The air is thick with whispers sweet, a lover's vow, the night's heartbeat. Oh love, you dance like a flame in the dark, a fleeting glow, a spark, a spark. I reach, I say.
That was amazing, right? And now you know how to do it too. Dzine AI really makes everything so easy and convenient. They do give you some initial free credits to try everything when you sign up, but if you want full access, you can consider getting a subscription if you're satisfied. And right now they're running an amazing Black Friday offer. If you subscribe before December 4th, you can get 50% off by using the code given in the description. So what are you waiting for? Go try it out now and start creating some truly amazing content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.